What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How's everyone doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day. We've got another great day of tech news for you. Let's dive right in. Our first story of the day has to do with the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, the successor to, I don't even have it open. Oh my God. This phone, the Galaxy, I'm so used to saying Galaxy, the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Now, what are we expecting to see and what are the expected prices for the new Pixel 7 and 7 Pro? Well, it looks like the prices are gonna be exactly the same, meaning it'll be $599 for the Pixel 7, 128, and $699 for the 256. And then if you get the Pixel 7 Pro, it's gonna be $899 and $999 for the 128 and the 256 gigabytes, respectively. And what are you expecting to see in these phones? Well, it looks like what we're expecting to see is a little bit of this, that being the 7 and 7 Pro will be refined versions of the 6 series, keeping the design same, allowed Google to improve the internals while setting the price the same. Expect improved thermals, network connectivity, and fingerprint performance. So basically what we're looking at here is, and what to expect really is, like he said, improved thermals. There were some heating issues going on with the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro when it first came out. I didn't have any issues. I haven't had any issues, I should say, since I've been using it. Also, network connectivity. Again, I get pretty good network connectivity, but if you can always make something improved and better, I'm fine with that. Fingerprint, it was kind of crappy in the beginning with the 6 and 6 Pro, that under display fingerprint sensor, but once Android 13 came out, it was fixed massively, so don't have anything too agitated about that. Really, the biggest thing for me is improving the brightness of the display. It's just, I've said it 7,000 times, it's just too dim of a display. You know, I'm at 60, what am I at right now? I'm at like 70% basically, and this is not bright at all. This is like 20 or 30% on a Samsung, it's crazy. And then continuing on with the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro talk, pre-order date for both phones is currently listed as October 6th, which is what we expected. Also expected is an October 13 release, but there are rumors it might be delayed until the 18th. So you're looking at release date anywhere between October 13th and as long as the 18th, but that's not all. Target is slated to offer a $100 gift card with the Pixel 7 and a $200 gift card with the Pixel 7 Pro, though I'm not sure if there will be other requirements besides you just buying the phone. We'll see on October 6th. So it seems like they're gonna have some nice pre-order buys. Maybe not that, because that's specifically for Target, but usually these companies kind of copy each other, meaning if you get it at Target, you get a similar deal at Best Buy, or maybe you get some really cool gifts if you buy the phone directly from Google. That's my guess, is that Google's probably going to give some sweet trade-in offers, kind of like akin to what they do with Samsung, but my eyes will be peeled, and we'll talk about this as time gets closer to the actual release. Next up, as you can see from the headline, if you're looking to get an S23, this is the base version, it has passed the network certification and still uses the same basic specifications as 25-watt charging. Almost the slowest fast charging in mobile phone industry for the Galaxy S23. 5 years in a row they've used 25-watt charging. This is getting ridiculous. I cannot believe that the regular S23 still is only gonna have 25-watt charging. Last story of the day has to do with my Galaxy Z Fold 4. Quick little run through. Had a damaged Pixel on there. I saw that on Friday, or Thursday or Friday. I shipped the phone back this past Monday. They got it on Tuesday. It's now Friday, so we're looking at 3 days since they've had it. And today, this morning, I got an email, a text, and another email. The first email basically said that, hey, we fixed your phone and we are, they didn't even say we're shipping it back. They just said expect it in like 4 or 5 days. But then I got another email saying it was shipped. So it's on its way to me. I should hopefully have it Monday. I would love to get it tomorrow because it says next day shipping, but I would think either tomorrow, which I don't think they do Saturday deliveries for UPS, but probably Monday. But ultimately, this is what all the information came out about it. It says, original problem, screen display, LCD touch panel, LED, LCD segment line missing, which is what basically I found you. Said problem found pixel line missing on display, extensive physical damage, which is weird because I didn't break it. Solution, replaced LCD, replaced PBA. If you have any additional questions, please call us at 1-800-SAMSUNG and reference ticket number, and they give me the ticket number. So the big takeaway is I don't have to pay anything at all. I didn't use my Samsung Care Plus insurance at all. I don't have a deductible to pay. It was a manufacturer's defect, just like I had thought it was. So that's great news that I'm getting it fixed ultimately for free, and I'll have it back probably no later than Monday. And that's pretty much the story right there. Pretty seamless transaction in terms of me, except the worst part was calling in and trying to figure out who would take control of the situation in terms of like, okay, which department at Samsung would take hold of it and be like, okay, we'll help you out. I had to like kind of fight my way through that part. But everything after that, getting it shipped out and all that, it's pretty, not too bad. If I hadn't had a backup phone, it would be a little bit of a rough time for me because I'd be literally without almost a week without my phone. But luckily I have a lot of phones to choose from, so that's kind of the lining at the end of that tunnel. Let me know about your experiences with Samsung's Care. Have it be because of a manufacturer's defect or with Care Plus. If it's been good, has it been bad? Let us know in the comments down below. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.